Good morning, children of class 7. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, let us start the second session of chapter 2, fraction and decimals. Hope you have understood the session 1. Did you find any difficulty in doing the fractions? That is addition and subtraction? No, isn't it? Okay. Now, let us move on to the multiplication of fraction, which is the third basic operation of fundamental operations. Here, when you come into the fractions with multiplication, see, if you take a area of a rectangle. In area of a rectangle, we know the formula, it is length into breadth. If you have 7 centimeter as the length and 4 centimeter as the breadth, what will be the area to be? 7 into 4, which is equal to 28 centimeter. But if you have the length of a rectangle as 7.5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3.5 centimeter, then how would you multiply it? So we take 7.5 into 3.5. So before going to it, we have to convert 7.5 into a improper fraction. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 15. So the first fraction will be 15 by 2. The second fraction will be 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. See, this I have taught in the session 1. Now take both the improper fraction, 15 by 2 into 7 by 2. Here we know that we will multiply only the numerator but not the denominator. Even in addition we do the same, isn't it? And also in subtraction too. The denominator remains the same, only the operations will be done only for the numerator. Now as we could take 15 by 2 and 7 by 2 and then calculate, what would be the answer for us? Looking to the figures, children. Here there is figure 2.3 which is in the textbook. I have shaded one part of the circle and the second figure shows the second part is circle. When you add these both, it becomes 2 by 4. Look at it. First one is 1 by 2. Okay. The second one is 1 by 2. Just multiply it. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2. Is it 1 by 2? Is it 1 by 2? No. It is only 1 by 4. Because in a fraction we have only one part is shaded. All the other 3 part is not shaded. Yes. It is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So 2 times when you multiply 1 by 4, look here, it is 2 into 1 by 4, which is again equal to 2 by 4. Only the numerator is multiplied. Again this 2 by 4 can be further divided as 1 by 2. So in 2 table, both the numbers goes in 2 table. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So this 2 by 4 also can be divided as 1 by 4. Now similarly look into the second figure, children. So what could be the answer there? 1 by 4 into 3. We have 3 figures having 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 3 is answer will be 3 by 4. Look into the last one, that is 2.5 figure. How many square boxes are there? 9. But in 9, each figure, 2 boxes are shaded. So if you take 2 by 9 into 3, 2 by 9 into 3, answer will be 6 by 9. 2 3s are 6. Look into this operation, children. If you find what is 3 into 1 by 2, This is the other method of doing it. 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Am I right? Yes, 3 times we are adding 1 by 2. The answer, when you add all the 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, because we have same denominator, answer again will be 3 by 2. So we always say that multiplication is an helping hand of addition. In the lower classes we have learnt multiplication can be done with repeated addition. Subtraction, division can be done by repeated subtraction. Here the same process is done. This multiplication is done by repeated addition. Usage of off operation in fraction. Here we have an operation name called off. This off is nothing but another name of multiplication. Instead of putting the into symbol, here we are using a off symbol. Here the example is given 1 by 2 of 1 or 1 by 2 of 2. The same process, don't confuse children. The same process of how you do multiplication is same process continued here. Only thing, the name will be given as off. When you see the off symbol, immediately the next step you can do is 1 by 2 into 1 or 1 by 2 into 2. The same operation you can continue. Only the name will be given as off operation. I will give you further examples based on that in the next slide. Look into the examples, children. First sum I have given as 4 into 3 by 5. Here we have used repeated addition. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. 4 times we have done 3 by 5. The answer will be 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, or 4 3s are 12 and the denominator remains same. Look into the second sum. 3 into 4 by 7. 4 2 by 7. So first we have to convert the 4 2 by 7 into improper fraction. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. So the improper fraction is 30 divided by 7. So how many times we have to multiply? 3. 30 by 7 plus 30 by 7 plus 30 by 7. The answer is 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 30 90. The denominator remains same. I think so much of examples is enough for you being in 7th standard. Yes. Look into the off operation. 2 by 4 of 8. As I told you in the previous slide, off is nothing but a multiplication operation. So 2 8s are 16. So 16 by 4, because the denominator remains same, only the numerator is multiplied. As I previously told, it can be further simplified. 16 by 4, both the numbers goes in same table. So 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So when you cancel out the denominator, there is no denominator. If you put 1 as a denominator also, it's okay. Or if you don't put a denominator when the denominator is 1, that is also okay. So we directly put it as 4. But when it's only 4, as in the previous session also we have talked about, when there is no denominator, we can consider 1 as a denominator. Look into the fourth question. It is 3 by 7 of 7. So this 3 by 7, we don't have any improper fraction here. We can directly multiply. 3 7s are 21. 21 divided by 7. Again 7 and 21 goes in the same table. 7 3s are 21. Again the denominator remains 1. So if you write a denominator also, it's right. If you don't write a denominator also. Here are few operations for you to complete. First main, you got to do it in repeated addition method. Okay. And the second main, you have to identify the pictures and say which answer is correct for it. And the last one, that is third main, you have to multiply it and reduce to the lowest form. Or if it is an improper fraction, you got to convert into mixed fraction. Fourth one, Shade 1 by 2 of the circle in the boxes. 3 by 4 of the triangle in the boxes and 3 by 5 of the squares in the boxes. All these are easy. Find 1 by 2 of first number and the second number, 24 and 46. For both the number you have to do similarly as it goes. And sixth one, multiply and express as mixed fraction. Eighth one, you look into children. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle and contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of water. Pratap consumed how much? So how much did Vidya drink? The mother gave the water bottle as 5 liters. So what you have to do? Here it is using of operation. 2 by 5 of 5. So this you have to do it in the of operation, and then you got to subtract with 5 again. Hope you will do it, children. Here I have given 2 examples for you, children. 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. What would the answer be? 1 into 1, 1. 3 2s are 6. Look at the second one. 3 by 5 into 2 by 7. 3 2s are 6. 5 7s are 35. I hope all of you know multiplication table from 2 ones are to at least 10 ones are. That is must. Being in 7th standard, minimum you should know at least 15 ones are table. Whenever you are free, I want you to by heart the tables from 2 ones are to 15 ones are. Look at the figure, children. I want you to solve this, and moreover it is easy. Only finding the product and the fraction. Compare this one product with the first number. Take the second number and the same product and compare them. Looking at the first example itself, you will know how to do the second and third. And this is quite easy, and when you start doing it, it is interesting too. Please do it. Here we move on to the exercise 2.3. In this 2.3, whatever I have explained you, the same process has been followed. I want you to do all these sums, and as you write more and more, you will understand the chapter better and better. When you solve one by one sum, and you will be able to do. And don't think that Mama has given too much for us to do. It is not too much at all, children. 7th standard children have all the capacity of doing these sums. And as I want you to do each and every sum so that you will understand how to do fractions and how to do multiplication operation in fraction. Now we move on to the division of fractions. So this is the last operation with basic operations. So division is much more an interesting topic. Usually division makes a boring topic. Oh, division, oh my god, it's very hard to do. Big number you get, and now how would be a fraction in division would be? Need not worry at all. So division in fractions is much easy. I will just want to teach you as you look into the figure here. 1 divided by 1 by 2. Just a reciprocal. You know what is reciprocal? Just vice versa. The denominator will go to the numerator and numerator will come to the denominator and multiply it. Yes. Look into the figure, children. Here 1 into 2 by 1. So the denominator goes as a numerator and the numerator comes as a denominator, and just multiply. Yes, children, this is very easy. Look into the second one. 3 divided by 1 by 4. The number 1 by 4 will be reversed. So 3 into 4 by 1. So 4 by 1, when you multiply 3 into 4 by 1, answer is 12. Denominator remains 1. 1 is a denominator. If you write also, it's okay. If you don't write also, it's okay. Yes, in the previous slide I told about reciprocal. Reciprocal is nothing but just reversing the number. The fraction that comes as a second number Okay, maybe it's a fraction or a whole number. So whatever, when it comes as a second number, when you reverse the number, we call it as reciprocal. Reciprocal. Repeat, children. Reciprocal. Yes. And here there is a sum for you which shows about reciprocal. Division of fraction by a whole number. That is, you will get a whole number and a fraction. So now look into the sum here, children. 3 by 4 divided by 3. So here 3 by 4 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number. Now the second number becomes a whole number. So in division method, what we have to do? We have to reciprocal the second number. So we have only 3. What will be the denominator? 1. So this 3 by 1, when you reciprocal, what happens? It becomes 1 by 3. Now direct multiply. 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 threes are 12. So your answer is 3 by 12. 3 by 12 can be further simplified. Yes, of course. It is 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. It is 1 by 4. Similarly, if you have 2 by 3 divided by 7. So when 2 by 3 is divided by 7, what will the answer be? 7 by 1 is the denominator 1. Reciprocal it. 2 by 3 into 1 by 7. Answer would be 2 divided by 2 by 21. And 2 by 21 cannot be divided into further. Am I clear, children? Yes. So there are two more sums here. What is 5 by 7 divided by 6 and 2 by 7 divided by 8? Can you try doing it by yourself? We'll move on to the next sum as division of a fraction by another fraction. So we finished by whole numbers. We will try with another fraction. I did not even explain much about it. By looking at all these sums, you would have understood how to do this. When you reverse a number, you feel funny and I know you are enjoying it. Here I have given few exercises, that is 6 to 7 sums for you to do, children. So 12, 3 by 4. 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12 is a whole number and 3 by 4 is a fraction. Reciprocal the second number. 4 by 3. 12 into 4 by 3. So 12. Here I have used direct cancellation method. 12 into 4 by 3. See, 3 is a common number that goes in 12. So here we can do direct cancellation, children. So here when you directly cancel, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. We can just directly cancel. So the 12 will be reduced to 4. Now only we have this side 4 and the other side 4. When you multiply 4 into 4, the answer will be 16. Or else we can directly put it as 12 threes are, it is 36. 36 divided by 3. When you multiply 36 divided by 3, again the answer will be 16. Look into the second number, that is 14 divided by 5 by 6. This 5 by 6, when you reciprocal, it becomes 6 by 5. 14 into 6, answer is 84. Denominator remains 5. And this is likewise I have given two more sums. The last one is exercise 2.4. Here there are sums based on division method. So I have given you 3 types of exercise today for you, children. One is multiplication and second one is multiplication of 2 fractions and the third one is division in fractions. So if you solve this in the next session, we will directly move on to the decimals. Multiplication of fraction by fraction. If we have 2 different fractions, then we have to how to multiply them. The previous slides we had only one fraction and one whole number, and here we have 2 different fractions. Let us start with the example. Sushant reads 1 by 3 part of a book in 1 hour. How much part of a book will he read in 1 by 5 hour? So let us take this. Sushant reads in 1 hour 1/3. And how much he has to read? When we have direct multiplication, we have to first 2 1/5 we convert into improper fraction. 2 5s are, it is 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11/5. And 11/5 we multiply with 1/3. Here previously when we had same denominator, it is a like fraction. We never used to multiply the denominators. Am I right? Yes, in addition also, in subtraction also. To do addition and subtraction, we could not do a direct addition or a direct subtraction. We had to convert it into a like fraction. To convert into like fraction, we used to take a LCM of the denominator. Here, we need not worry about all those things. We can directly do the multiplication. Now, just look into 11 into 1 and 5 into 3. The numerators are multiplied with the numerator and the denominator is multiplied with the numerator. When we have unlike fractions, we need not worry about converting them into a like fraction. Here we can do direct multiplication. So the answer you will get it as 11/15. Likewise, if you have 1/2 into 5/3, again you can do direct multiplication. 4, 5 and 6. The same operation is continued here also. I want you to look into it and understand this similarly. I don't think there is any confusion in this for you.